Hello there, Steve, and thank you so much for your uh, very detailed and genuine uh, feedback on the website, and I'm so much in agreement with you. So let's just jump right into the actual compensation plan and give you peace of mind and let you know how the blockchain all works. Okay. Sorry for not doing a better job last time. When you go to amzbit.org, you're going to see these wallet statements. So this is where unlike traditional network marketing companies where it's centralized, where somebody has uh, the actual software and compensation plan, some high mighty tower, and they get to finagle it. Well, not here because we've programmed this that is completely decentralized. So you can go here and you can look at a member-to-member code report, and I encourage you to do this. By the way, we tested this pretty um, aggressively, and then we reset it. That's why there's not as many people there. But when people joined, and who the wallet ID is, right? Who the wallet ID is, and so you can by names, all right, and so on and so forth. So that's how it's done. I mean, it's pretty cool, right? By date, by associate report. So this is available for everybody to see. Okay, so this is why when I went in here and I put in, okay, if you want to share your wallet, people can't remember their wallet, they can put their name in here. And let's see if I can see Sammy. Let's see, I did Burke. And it happens on real time, right? That's the cool thing. You get paid in real time. That's my member ID. That's my Amzbit member ID code, which is different from my wallet, right? That's different from my wallet. This is what I use to enroll people. So hopefully, I'm clear there. Now let's jump into the comp plan. All right. I've kind of quasi prepared something for us in this regard. And let's go right here. Now, what I'm going to do is just kind of very quickly go through this. I did not, I've kind of changed our name and some of our labels and things of that nature, but this will kind of give you a really good idea of our incentive plan, right? So here's how it works. All right. We've got the back end, which is the active members revenue sharing. And the reason I call it back end is because people don't understand a code in it, right? So it's basically everything is customer focused, leverage driven. Sorry, man, that was a little distracting. Something was going on. All right, here we go. So smartphone, smart money, smart shopping. But live better is a smart business. Now, this was done I think in September. So, and there's just a little something of me. And it says, hey, we're getting ready to turn an industry on its heels. And then, I'm a member and founder just like everybody else, right? So here it just kind of says I'm on a mission. And so this is part two. When somebody becomes a member is where I want to share this, is my thought anyways, because it can get kind of complicated. We don't want to uh, we don't want to alienate people. So that was my thought. So basically active members, revenue sharing pool, and customer centered model, affiliate member, you get customers, and then based on what the customers purchase, you get uh, an override of what they make. So, and I think I've been pretty cool on that. I mean, pretty clear on that, right? The customer gets 50%. So of the Amzbit associate commission, and the member gets the other 50%. So a customer centered model, it's all about the customers. Okay. It's all about their experience. And shame on me for not showing you how it's done, but I have a little tool where we text people, say, hey, are you shopping on Amazon? They go, yeah. Hey, are you familiar with Bitcoin? They go, yeah. Then I send them a little 1.5 minute teaser video and say, how do you like to get Bitcoin for free? Sure. So, I send them how to, it's okay. You need to get a wallet. And then I have a little 1 minute video. It shows them how to get a wallet. Real simple, no audio or anything. And I say, hey, text me your wallet ID. And the minute they text me their wallet ID, then I put it into the my, put them into the blockchain, right? Link them up that way, and then we upgrade them to a member if they want to. So just think Amazon account to Amzbit community. Customer gets 50% social commission paid in Bitcoin. It's free. So it's kind of how we're leading with it. Our boy Albert. That's right. Compounding, baby. This is technology compounding, exponential technology. All right. So presentation overview. Active members. Again, assuming that people are already part of the community now. I told you my partner is a computer scientist and programmer, and so we've got a code in the compensation plan. I know this kind of looks, I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to explain this to you. But basically the way it works is, if you can see on leg one, well, let me just show you because I'll come back to that. All right, so the backbone of our program is we'll call micro communities for right now. And you build a micro U plus 3 equals free, right? And now you're going to see in future slides that I changed the labels. I went from affiliate to partner affiliate to super affiliate. I think those are pretty good labels. I'm open to suggestions changing them now, but kind of keeping it real simple. Basically, there's just two roles. You got a customer and you got an affiliate. We have a book called Prosumer Power that we publish, and consumers spend money, producers make money. Prosumers are consumers who earn money, make spending money. So that's a book that we've written and I publish. That might be an initiative we're going to take. So here's how it works. Member-to-member payment divided into 3 parts. Here's the comp plan. Part 1 is the smart contract bonus. When you enroll. When you enroll your first person, okay, you make $25. Then when you enroll your second person, we have a coded element of it, and then when you enroll your third person, you have your $50. I'm going to explain that here more in a minute, right? But basically, you have a front end which is $50 and a back end which is $50. So let me explain how it works. So part 1, $25. If you're the member, you've purchased a smart contract. Now this is where I'm saying some of the languaging, my old languaging is there, but I just want to get something to you like quickly, so you can kind of see what's going on. All right, we've worked it out. So so the referring member or the affiliate member signs up Joe. He's going to make $25 bonus for just signing up his first person. And then when Joe signs up Sue, Joe's going to make $25. And when Sue signs up Liz, every person, when they sign up their first person, they make $25. So that's that. The second part is a coded bonus, and let's explain how the code works. The code is really, the reason we put a code in there is not to complicate it, but to help people start receiving results quickly, right, while their team fills out. So if this is you, Stephen, who sponsors Joe, you make $25 in Joe. When Joe sponsors Sue, Joe's the one that you're only going to make the $5 on the override. But let me just keep drilling down here. So when you sponsor your second person, you sponsored Ava, that begins your coded team. That's pretty cool. Okay, so what does that mean? It means from your second person on, everybody you enroll, all right, their first people, that's your coded side, okay? So when Ava enrolls B, Ava's going to get $25, right? And you're going to pick up a $25 code on B. So you pick up 25, Ava picks up 25. B sponsors C. Well, B is going to pick up $25 from sponsoring C. Ava no longer picks up 25, but because it's coded to you, it's your second leg, the first person, your second leg and beyond, you pick up 25. So C sponsors D, you pick up 25 to infinity. All right, and on your third person, same thing. If you sponsor Al's first person X, you're going to pick up 25. When X sponsors Y, you're going to pick up 25 as a code, right? From your second leg beyond, everybody's first person is always coded to you to infinity. Yeah, pretty badass. Okay, so again, the code was designed strictly to help people, because once you spot, number one, it creates a behavior. I want to start, I need to get my first and my second. Then everybody after my second, their first person is always coded to me, right? So it creates a behavior of going beyond two. And the other behavior is to get to the third person, which now you're making $50 bonuses on all of them. So now let's talk about the third part here, which is the $50. The way we've got that is we're paying $5 times 10 generations deep. So I quickly change the names here: affiliate, partner affiliate, super affiliate. Those are the 3 member positions. Now we're back to the old labels: referring member, partner member, managing partner member. So now we're on that third $50, right? So when you sponsor, you as a referring member, when you sponsor your first person, it's $25. You sponsor your second person, it's $25. When you sponsor your third person, it's $50, okay, and beyond. So as a member, as an affiliate member, you're going to get paid Amazon Prime, your first level. This is always goes to pay your Amazon Prime. So nobody ever gets paid on their first level. No, ever. So I'll explain that here in a minute. It's level 2, 3, 4, 5, and beyond, right? So basically, right now, the way we have it, programmed into the blockchain through 3 generations, we take the first $5 to pay for the Amazon Prime. Partner member is basically, and it just kind of shows you how it works. You know, your first person you sponsor 25, and what a generation is. It's just 3 levels of members. Really, that's that simple. Okay, so let's talk about the partner affiliate. All right, it's $100, and we initially called it subscription. And what I found was people want to know what they were getting for the subscription. This is why we're changing it to smart contract. Still open to it, but you know, smart contract is such a big part of the blockchain. That's the way we decided to do it. I think it will serve us better. All right, so and it's a pay as you go. I haven't changed languaging any of this. This again just to show you how it works. So an affiliate, you know, a partner affiliate, just someone who sponsors 3 people. And when you sponsor 3 people, yours is basically getting 25 from your first, 25 from your second, third, 50 from your third. Basically covers your contract, your $100, right? So that's why we say, you know, when you get 3, yours is free, and we pay through, and this is very important, we pay through 6 generations of partner affiliates, affiliate partners, and members. So it actually, the way the blockchain we've programmed it is that it will look for 3 generations of this right here. And if somebody doesn't qualify because they didn't purchase they didn't purchase their contract in that 35 days, that would not count as one of your generations. So it keeps finding until it finds six of these. All right, 6 generations of qualified partners. So here's what it pays. If you paid $5 through 6 generations, okay, level 2 through 6, it's going to pay you approximately $7,655 a month. Nobody can ever take it away from you. It's member to member, peer to peer. Yeah, it's amazing. Just helping, just going through 6 generations of this. All right, so that's pretty strong. Yearly 91,000. So the super affiliate and $100. Now this is a macro. The other one, partner with micro. This is macro, basically where you help your 3 get 3. And what this does, remember from third on, you get paid $50. So the $5 goes back to the Amzbit Gives Back Foundation. We'll call Random Acts of Kindness. It's going to go to a wallet that literally is just to give back. It's 10% of the $50, and it also helps us the arbitrage of the for people who are on Amazon Prime. Remember, one of our benefits is we're giving people Amazon Prime as a result of being a member. They get it for the first 2 months, but they have to continue renewing their membership or their smart contracts to continue getting it. So there's like an arbitrage there of some sort. But anyways, that money goes where we give back, right? And but it always goes back. 100% of it's going back. And this is what this looks like. Whoops. It looks like this. So you get paid through 10 generations, 2 through 10, of $5 of 13 people. So we call it block 13, right? Or the Amzbit blockchain 13, where you have basically 3 levels, and this is what it pays. And you can run the numbers because it's paying through 10 generations. There's 13 people on your first generation, so and you've got on your second generation, you can see up here number 2, it's 9 times 13, right? And you can see what the payments are here. I mean, so it's incredible. $5.7 million in Bitcoin per month. It just, people can't sleep at night, right? And that's what it pays, and it's completely uncentralized, so nobody can take it. Yeah, $68 million a year. So, anyways, yeah, crazy, isn't it? How you like my comp plan? But anyway, that's it. So basically the way it works, right, it obviously goes from the bottom on up. And the reason the way we got it a smart contract is that the contract promises to pay, guarantees to pay. And I use, we'll use an example of buying a water at a vending machine. You put the dollar in, then it tells you what number to pick, and then you hit the number for your water, and then it drops the water. So it's automation. So that smart contract initiates an automation within the blockchain that cannot be tampered with by humans. Let me repeat: cannot be tampered, cannot be modified, cannot be changed. It takes away any human greed whatsoever, and off the table. That was the whole plan. And so we pay from the bottom on up, right? So you can see as the legs happen, paid member code, it's completely all programmed, so we're golden, right? And based on what happens in that 35-day period is how it gets paid out. Okay. So that's it. That's the kind of the comp plan in a nutshell. And I hope I was able to I hope this brought more light into what we're doing.